Hi, welcome back to New England Fire Cooking. I'm Aaron Higgins, and today I want to show you guys how I do wings on my Weber kettle. What I have here is I have a little over 30 wings. I think I counted 34 wings on this tray. I just picked these up from McQuaid's Marketplace in downtown Westerly. And what we're going to do is we're going to season these. We're going to get them on the Weber kettle using what's called a Vortex. Essentially what it is a cone. It's a stainless steel cone that you put your charcoal in. And I guess you could say it enables you to air fry on your grill. So every single time I cook wings on the grill, the skin's never exactly how it is when you get a nice basket of deep fried chicken wings in front of you. It doesn't have that crisp to it. And apparently the claim on these is that this Vortex can help you do that on the grill. So I'm interested to give it a shot. But before I do, I want to get these seasoned. So we're gonna season these chicken wings with a Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch rub. And I've used this a couple times, tastes pretty good. It's the closest thing I could find to an actual buffalo rub. You can season with whatever rub you'd like, but in this house, buffalo is king. So we're gonna be putting a nice even coat of seasoning over these wings. Don't go too crazy, you still wanna taste some chicken. Same story on this side. Okay guys, we got this Vortex going nice and hot. Now it's time to get these wings on. Now guys, before we get these wings on, as always, make sure you give your grill grates a dose of cooking spray. And what you want to do is you want to get them on the very outside. You don't want to set them over that Vortex. Okay guys, as always, we want to add some smoke flavor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set some of this hickory right down on top, get the cover on, I'm going to give it a few minutes, and then I'm going to rotate it. You want to make sure that you rotate this exhaust every couple of minutes around the clock. Usually, you know, you go from 6 o'clock to 3 o'clock to 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock just to make sure all these wings are cooking evenly. Come back in about 10 minutes, we'll give it a rotate and we'll check on these wings. Okay guys, these wings are looking really good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna give them a little bit of a flip. Now that we got them flipped, we're gonna set this up one more time. Exhaust at the 9 o'clock position, depending on how you're looking at this. Okay guys, these are looking awesome. Getting real close to saucing time. I'm gonna spin this one more time. Now putting the exhaust at the 3 o'clock position. And we're gonna let it roll for a few more minutes, and then it'll be time to sauce. Okay you guys, as you can see, these are looking really good. I'm gonna give all these a flip, and then it's time to give them a sauce. To sauce these wings, we're gonna be using the Frank's Red Hot Wings sauce, and it's the buffalo flavor. You can use whatever sauce you'd like, and if you want to cut down on the amount of heat, just cut it with a little bit of melted butter. Now it's time to get some sauce on these bad boys. Okay, everybody. So I'm taking these wings out front. There's a crew of people that have been drinking all day, and they're going to be doing the taste test for me. Yeah, here we go. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the champs who've been drinking all day test the wings and let me know what they think. Yeah. Give me your feedback, guys. Let me know what you think.
How many can we have?
Not bad? Decent?
Yeah.
That's good. Awesome.
No.
Would you have this?
Obviously.
Would you have this again?
Tangy, definitely.
Yep.
Hey, it's got a crunch to it.
So the skin is
Super
crispy.
Juicy. It's great. It's not, it's not that deep fried crispy, which I like, but it's it's a natural crispy.
Awesome.
It's great.
Awesome. These guys are wishing they could have some right now. Okay, guys, so here I am. You obviously saw how the taste test went out front, but now it's not official until I do it, so that's how I look at it. Before I dive right into this, let's do a quick run through of what we did. What we did was we had these wings and we seasoned them with the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Ranch seasoning. We seasoned both sides and then we fired up the Weber kettle. Got those nice hot coals right inside the Vortex, replaced the grates, and then we laid all these chicken wings out around the outer perimeter. And then we took some hickory chunks and we set it right on top of where the Vortex was, and we gave us some nice smoke flavor. And altogether, I would say we cooked these things for about close to an hour, maybe a little bit less, but every few minutes, about every 10 minutes or so, you gotta make sure you rotate the lid of that Weber kettle. Right towards the end of the cook, after our last flip, we sauced these with Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Wing sauce. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to give this a shot, and I think I'm gonna go with this bad boy right here, this big old drumstick. Of course, you have to have some blue cheese. Once again, in this house, buffalo is king. Oh, wow, that's a lot of dressing, but here we go. Man. Wow. Nah. I'm making a mess of myself. I don't even care. Guys in the front yard that have been drinking all day were right. It's juicy, it's crispy, it's tangy. Meat's pulling right off the bone. Wow. That's a wing right there. Hey, if you don't take my word for it, take theirs. I'm going back in. Not stopping. I'm gonna get a flat this time. That skin looks so crispy. Yeah, it looks really, really good right there. That's such a nice looking wing. A little bit easier on the blue cheese this time. This is the real test. Just pull the whole thing just about clean off. Except for in between the bones. That's not gonna take me too long. All things considered,
just grab a thing. It's in your beard.
My wife's telling me I need to towel off here. All things considered, guys, Vortex is a total win. If you have a Weber kettle, invest in a Vortex. I think it was like 40 bucks. It's really a simple device which enables you to really bang out some awesome chicken wings. Even if you just get the Vortex for chicken wings alone, it's worth it. Totally worth it. These chicken wings are my new number one. without a doubt. You got a ton of smoke flavor, a ton of char flavor, the buffalo flavor. You know, you got some crispy skin. It's awesome. It's awesome. This is perfect for football, or football, forget football. Any game day, race day, you name it, any game day. And this is a win. Doesn't take very long. It's not an all-day cook. Something that's real easy. There's not a lot that goes into it. Any game day, any birthday party, any stag party, any 4th of July party, any day of the week, really, I can eat this every day. If you like what you see here and you like what we're doing, give us a subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook. Thanks for hanging out with us today. See you next time.